Shake, 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 shake. Yo, everybody. Hey, Simi here with Aim High Photography. Hey, guys, I got me a new toy in stock. Let's get right to it. Boom. Guys, it is the Sennheiser MKE 200, which is a small shotgun microphone made for cameras, phones, and content creators. Guys, let's open it up and check it out. Guys, I don't know if you've seen my other video on the MKE 400 that I have for my camera. This one here is for my wife's Nikon ZF, just so she can have some audio. She doesn't do a lot of voiceover or talking videos or anything like that, so she just needs something that's going to capture the ambient sound, just a natural sound, you know, that's just a little bit better than the Nikon ZF has internally. All right, guys, so let's open this up. And what I like about this one, guys, it is lightweight, it's easy to use, it doesn't need batteries, you just plug it in and you just start recording, guys. That's what I like about it. It also has a built-in windscreen and shock mount, which helps reduce wind noise and camera handling noise. All right, so like if you're moving around and all that kind of stuff, and you're doing all that kind of bumping and stuff, you know, it's going to help handle that. The shock mount is built inside of here. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is nice. This is really nice. Yeah. Look at that little beauty at the front, you know, mic port right here. And what you do here is you're going to take your provided microphone plug, right? And you're going to just put it in here. So yeah, you just plug it in and you can screw this in so you don't have to worry about it coming out. Now for her setup, honestly, guys, I'm not going to use this one. She likes to be a little bit more inconspicuous, and I'm not going to use, I already got it screwed in. It already doesn't want to come out. Which is a good thing, right? So you don't have to worry about losing audio. Let me just show y'all what comes in here, all right? So yeah, this is the microphone, right? Like I said, it has a screw in, all right? You have another one here. This one here is for, oh, this one screws in also. What does this go for? Like maybe like a phone or something. One is TRS versus TRRS, right? So if you look really closely, that there is a difference. If you look really closely at these. Oh, can't even get it lined up. There we go. There we go. All right. So yeah, you have two, but they both screw in, right? They both are screwed in. So obviously because they screw in, they're going to go both to the microphone. All right. So yeah, one is for your cell phone, plugging it into, and the other one is for the camera. All right. So one is for each source. All right, so whether you're using it for your cell phone, which is the source, or your camera, which is the source. Okay, all right, so you got that. You have this here, this little, you know, dead cat, which is going to go on it. You just put this on, right? Let's just get this on. There's really no right or wrong way in it. Well, you know what? As soon as I said that, there is, because this is the front, and look what I did. This is the front, and look what I did. So we're going to take that off. Oh God. Oh, look at that. The hair's coming off. So yeah, that's how it's going to go. So like if it's really windy outside, guys, you know, this is going to eliminate all that noise. All right. Hopefully I made it good. Was that the noise that wind makes? But look at this. Guys, let's look. Look at this. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Look, that's just the hairs coming from that already. So, you know, be aware of that. Okay. I don't use these, and yeah, because they make it stand out a little bit too much. It makes your work to me look a little bit more intentional. So I really don't like this unless I just have to. If it's really windy, guys, you're going to need it. It's going to help. All right. But, you know, sometimes I just like to make it look like I'm just doing things, you know, unintentional. So yeah, then you have this here, this little bag, I guess, which you can just put all your stuff in, right? You can put it all in, your cables and all, and then you're good to go. But yeah, guys, the MKE 200 does not need any batteries, which is great. You just plug it in and you go. Let's get all this stuff out of the way. All right, so yeah, that's what I like about this one. Guys, a previous version, I used to have these. Well, as you can see, I still have them. You know, the Rode microphone, right? So, I mean, it's really good, you know, microphone. Kind of stands out a little bit because of the red. This here red is a shock mount. You know, it keeps all that vibration, you know, definitely to a minimum. It works, it really does, and I do like it because you can adjust it so that your microphone is not in the shot. So you can slide this up, you know, back and forth. You got that kind of adjustment, where this one is just one position. Even though it's small, you know, it's just one. So yeah, this is really good. You know, this is kind of what I started out with. And then on my camera, I have, guys, this here is the MKE 400, all right? The MKE 400. You can see it's quite a bit longer, right, than the MKE 200. But yeah, this is really good. This one does take batteries, you know, but that's okay because it only powers on when the camera itself is on, and it powers itself off when you turn off of the camera. So I really do like this one, but this is a little bit too big for my wife's setup. So yeah, guys, this here is her setup. So what I'm gonna do is right here off to the side, has code shoe on it, and when I get it in that slot, okay, there we go. All right, so we're gonna just put that on, and as you can see, look how that looks. That's a nice setup. That is very nice, simple, you know, camera setup. It doesn't stand out a whole lot. So for her microphone, what I'm gonna do is I happen to have this black one, because actually, as you can see, her camera is like, you know, it's all black. You know, she doesn't want anything like red or anything like that. She just wants to be a little bit more, you know, hidden. She does her stuff, which sometimes is fine. So right now, all I have to do is just turn it on and it's going to activate the microphone. There's no battery. So she won't accidentally forget to, you know, to do something, you know. So because before I had the DJI Mic 2 receiver on here, which it would power on the receiver, but the microphone you still had to turn on. And, you know, sometimes she would forget to turn it on. So this is going to eliminate that. And once again, she did not want this one because of the red. It just kind of stands out. The MKE 400, which is what, you know, I had wanted her to have, it was just a little bit too big for her. She just really needs ambient sound. So this is going to be her setup, guys. This is going to be it. Yeah, guys, this is a good microphone for like walking videos, family videos, quick YouTube content, when you want better audio than the built-in camera microphone. I mean, it's not the most advanced microphone, and it won't replace a professional wireless setup, but for something simple and compact, the MKE 200 does a solid job. So yeah, if you're looking for an easy way to improve your audio without a complicated, you know, setup, yeah, guys, the MKE 200 by Sennheiser, yeah, it might be the way to go for you. What do y'all think? What do y'all think about that? Y'all like that setup? Simple enough? Simple enough? Yeah, I think so. Guys, that is it. Please comment, like, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about the Sennheiser MKE 200. Do you have one? Will you get one? Please comment, like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Send me with Aim High Photography. I'm out. Yo, yo, yo. That's nice. I'm out.